That after 5 years, I would be here studying in everyone, and now I'm part of the team. And not only that, I'm a national director. Oh my God! Thank you for this opportunity. I'm just really excited for what's coming in with the Miss Universe Philippines, and I've seen the hard work that our board members have done for the organization. And I've seen the hard work of everyone as well. I want to say thank you to all our media partners, our pageant people, to everyone who have supported Miss Universe Philippines from the very start. This won't be as successful as this one without the help of you guys. So I hope this time, let's be more supportive, let's be more mindful, let's spread kindness and love to all our delegates and to all the people around the organization. And to all the girls backstage, I know it's so hard to be part of Miss Universe Philippines. If you would ask me if I'm gonna join again, I don't think I can, because every year it gets harder and harder, tougher and tougher, but I salute all the girls for joining and for pursuing their dreams. And I do hope that this year, hopefully, we get our 5th Miss Universe crown from this year's batch. And of course, this will be possible with all your effort, with all your help, and of course with me over here. Oh my God. No, but I would promise to really do my best. To help the organization, to be a leader, to inspire, and to grow together with the team and together with the ladies out here. So thank you all so much, and I'm just so excited for what's more to come for the Miss Universe Philippines organization. Congratulations everyone! Thank you Jonas, thank you Voltaire, thank you Ms. Mans, everyone in the team. Maraming salamat po, and I would truly be thankful for this throughout the rest of my life. So maraming salamat.